What is up, guys? Another day, another video, and yes, we have here the snack stack and two 500 selection. Can we get the jackpot win, please? Let's see. So here we need to get a shell and an open box of chocolate to get a win. Can we get it? Let's find out. We have a choco strawberry, hamper, flowers, ribbon, vanilla, honeycomb, mint, card, envelope, choco strawberry, cocoa bean, flowers, present, cocoa bean, and a vanilla for a dud, guys. Ooh, it's rough. But yeah, that's how we roll, guys. Here, let's see, we have a hamper, we have a gift bag, choco strawberry, flowers, hamper, vanilla, mint, present, honeycomb. Okay, finally, guys, we've got one win, one single win. We have present, cocoa bean, ribbon, and an envelope. So one win, guys. Is it gonna be number 5? Let's see. Yep, as usual. This I've never seen 500 on a single shell on my play yet, so yeah, it's all right. 15 pounds on play. Last card, we have here our snack stack. So far, one card can make the difference, so let's see if this is gonna be the card. We have number 12, 25. Okay. We have 15 and 1, so 1 and 15. Okay. 36 and 27. 27, so its pizza is 20 pounds. Can we get it? 36. We have 28 and 13. So 13 and 28. Oh, can we get this pizza, guys? Only one number, 26 to get it. 2 and 33. We have 2. Oh, this would be nice as well. 33. Okay. Can we get any of these cards? 5 and 6. Okay. 11 and 31. 31 and 11. Okay. 9 and 29. Oh, not 26. 9 and 29. Oh, 5,000 would be amazing, guys, if we get that one. Number 4. Oh, so nice. Now, can we get anyone? Any of this? 35. Okay. We need 34, 26, 10, and a 3. Can we get this, please? 24? No. How about last? 17. Dear God, such a teaser. Let's see. Did we get 3? No. Did we get 10? No. Did we get 26? No. Did we get 34? 34. 4. No, it's a dud, guys. Oh dear God. Out of 15 pounds in play, we got only 5 pounds back, which is horrendous. Anyway, sometimes it happens, guys. And all I can say is just thank you for watching. Always remember, spread love, not hate. Let's rock.